Hi, I'm Sarah, and welcome to this tutorial on Easy Manage Mobile Pro. Whether you're managing multiple stores or just need to keep track of tasks more efficiently, understanding the store submenu is key to staying organized and making your workflow smoother. You may have noticed the three-dot submenu appearing throughout Easy Manage Mobile Pro. This menu isn't just in one place. You can find it in different parts of the application, providing you with quick access to essential tools and options no matter where you are. But how important is it? Well, the three-dot submenu is designed to help you navigate efficiently, manage tasks, and access key store details with just a tap. Whether you're working on invoices, tracking orders, reviewing store information, or completing assigned tasks, this menu gives you everything you need in one convenient location. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through why the three-dot submenu matters and how to use it effectively to maximize your productivity. Let's dive in. To open the store submenu, tap on the three-dot icon next to the store's name. You'll see a variety of options that allow you to efficiently manage your store visit. This menu provides quick access to key store details, task management, and order tracking, ensuring you have everything you need in one place. Let's go through how to use it. At the top, you'll see the store name and store ID. In this example, it's Bellwood Drug 0026682. This ensures you're working on the correct store. If you need additional details, tap the information icon I on the right side. Below the store name, you'll find the store contact section. You can tap on the phone icon to quickly call the store, or tap on the map icon to get navigation assistance. Below the store section, you'll see the assigned servicer, in this case, Roy Vickers. You can reach out using the phone icon to call the servicer directly, or tap the mail icon to send an email if available. On invoices, you can view or process invoices related to the store. This allows you to keep track of billing and past transactions. In the time section, you'll find a simple yet essential feature. It tracks time only. In the task section, you can view assigned tasks. Under orders, you can review and manage any open or completed orders for the store, making sure everything is up to date. The gallery section allows you to store and access images related to your store visit. This is useful for documenting store conditions, displays, or completed tasks. Need to find something quickly? Tap on Locate Item, and use the search icon to look up specific items or products within the store. These tools help you efficiently manage store-related activities, ensuring a smooth and organized workflow. Once you've reviewed the necessary details and completed your tasks, tap close at the bottom to exit the store submenu and return to your worksheet. This menu serves as your control center, giving you instant access to everything you need to complete your store visit efficiently. Make sure to use these tools to stay organized and on top of your work. And that wraps up this tutorial on the store submenu in Easy Manage Mobile Pro. Now you know how to access and navigate this important menu, giving you quick access to store details, invoices, time tracking, tasks, orders, gallery, and item location to keep your workflow efficient and organized. But we're not stopping here. In our next video, we'll show you how to reset your password in Easy Manage Mobile Pro, so you can quickly regain access to your account if you ever get locked out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.